All right, this is DJ Redland talking to you about Minecraft and procedural rhetoric for MCOM 353. First off, I made myself a home within a mountain. With Minecraft, this video game, users have the ability to create structures while also herding, farming, and crafting items to manipulate their environment around their needs. For my project, I've created a home within a mountain that has a farm of sheep and a wheat field. And I've also planted oak trees that has a canopy of oak leaves that goes over my garden slash farm. This allows me to gather all the materials that I need to craft necessary stuff to continuously add on to my mountain home. But then my mountain home, I have a master bedroom, a guest bedroom, and then I also have a dining hall, a mine shaft, and then pathways up on top of the mountain. But first I want to show you my multicolored sheep. The reason why I chose red sheep, and then I also have purple and pink just for fun. I wanted red carpets, so I dyed my sheep red, which created red wool, which put into the procedure that I needed to follow certain steps. With tools, sheep follow wheat. As you can see, when I'm holding onto the wheat, they really seem to like me, but when I'm not holding onto the wheat, they kind of just, do their own thing. Also, in my home, I have a pathway that leads down to the shore where I have sugarcane growing, and the procedures with sugarcane, you can either create sugar or you can make paper, and then with paper you can make books or maps, and with your books you can make bookshelves. So let's go back inside. So then within my mountain home, we have kind of like the commons area. Notice that I have red glowstone, red stained glass, and then it's lit with torches. So this is my master bedroom. This is where I sleep, and then we have items within chests, and then a crafting table to manipulate the items that we gather. So then we have two pathways, one that leads up to the top of the mountain and then one that goes into the hall. So let's look into our hall here. It's lined with paintings, and then we also have the kitchen, dining hall, and a study. And the reason why I call it a study as well is because we have our bookcases, and we also have an enchantment table which we can enchant items. Right now I actually have an enchanted diamond pickaxe. Then we have our kitchen, quote-unquote kitchen, because of our two furnaces that we can create food. We can make cobblestone into stone. We can also make food, and right now my primary source is sheep. We also have our dining room table so that we can eat our sheep and our cows and our chickens. Next up we have our guest bedroom. So if I have guests, they have a place to crash, and it's just kind of a basic room to sleep in. And then we have our mining shaft, and it's lined with red carpet to kind of connect you with the home still, I suppose. It has potential. As you see, I left the coal here so that you kind of know that there's stuff that we can gather here. Okay, then we also have the pathway up on top of the mountain. There's two pathways. One's just kind of an exit to the side. We won't go through here. The second, kind of going down the hall here, is a pathway all the way up to the top of the mountaintop. And on top of the mountain we have a pillar of oak leaves to kind of signify where I am if I'm going out and about into the wilderness. And then it's also littered with trees, so I kind of never have to stray too far away from home other than for food. Then we also have, sorry about that, an oasis, and that's kind of just an extra touch. Real quick, I'll talk about the procedural rhetoric of Minecraft. Ian Bogos argues that video games, thanks to their basic representational mode of procedurality, or rule-based representations and interactions, open a new domain for persuasion. I would like to argue that Minecraft follows suit with rule-based representations and interactions of procedurality in the way that the tools work. Animals respond to characters, and also how we must continuously have some type of food source so our character doesn't starve to death. In terms of tools, I would like to explain that tools can be used like a pickaxe, the spade, the hoe, and the axe. These can be crafted simply with wood and sticks, but you can also craft these tools with cobblestone, iron, gold, and obviously diamond. The harder the material, the faster the ore, wood, or dirt you're using it on will be affected. This is one rule of thumb in Minecraft that I caught on to very quickly. I found that when holding wheat, sheep and cows will follow you. When holding a carrot, pigs will follow you. Without these items or these rules, the animals will not recognize your existence. These are just a few examples of the many procedures in Minecraft. And if you don't follow these rules, then you obviously will not make it into the Minecraft world. And that just about does it for my mountain home. I hope you like it. Please comment on your thoughts and maybe how I can further better my home. With that being said, I'm DJ Redland and I'm signing off. Thanks, guys.